Hello guys, welcome to Love is Vacation YouTube's channel. Now I want to give you information about 5 most scenic lakes in Austria. Number 5, Mondsee. Mondsee is one of the largest privately owned lakes in Austria, and it is a stunning retreat that lets visitors escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Mentioned in a James Bond novel, Mondsee is the epitome of scenic. From vantage points around the shore, you can see the northern limestone Alps and the northern sandstone Alps. From the town of Mondsee on the shores of the lake with the same name, you can also get a full view of the mountain known as Drenwand, or Dragon Wall. Number 4, Achensee. The largest lake in the Austrian district of Tyrol is Achensee, which also goes by the nickname Fjord of the Alps. The lake itself is stunning, thanks in part to the location right at the base of the mountain. However, it is the color and clarity of the water that makes it such an unusual and unforgettable destination. The Achensee can look green or aquamarine, and in parts you can see up to 10 meters, 30 feet, down. Top ways to enjoy the scenery include sailing and windsurfing on the lake, which is popular thanks to windy conditions, as well as hiking nearby at the Kopf mountain for panoramic views of the lake. Number 3, Wolfgangsee. The Salzkammergut is a resort region near Salzburg where people from around the world flock for the lush green landscape and the abundance of spectacular lakes. One of the best is known as the Wolfgangsee. The lake is named for the 10th century Saint Wolfgang, who allegedly built a church near the lake's shores more than 1,000 years ago. For the best views over the lake, ride the railway called the Schäferbergbahn to the peak of the Schäferberg itself, which gives you incredible perspective over the waters of the Wolfgangsee. Number 2, Zeller See. In the Austrian Alps is the Zeller See, or Lake Zell, which is a relatively small but beautiful freshwater lake. Because of its size, Zeller See freezes in the winter, making it perfect for year-round fun. During the summer, you can swim, fish or kayak in the clear water of the lake. In the winter, expect crowds of locals skating across the frozen surface of the Zeller Sea. The lake is named after the nearby town Zeller See, which is home to a stunning 16th century castle as well as an impressive church built in the Romanesque style. Number 1, Hallstatter See. Lake Hallstatt, or the Hallstatter See, is another of the many lakes in the region of Salzkammergut. The lake is surrounded by mountains, creating a picturesque oasis. On the banks of the Hallstatter See is the famous town of Hallstatt, which boasts traditional Austrian architecture and charming attractions. The Hallstatter See is best seen from a hike in the mountains, but those who want a unique perspective can also take scuba diving lessons with a guide from Hallstatt. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.